As you know, after post pregnancy there is a lot of weight gain in many women. So, in that context also we were using sesame seeds, but right now I will focus more on amenorrhea because we are making this video regarding amenorrhea, that is irregular menstrual cycle. I am just go off topic, sorry for that. So, in amenorrhea or irregular periods, Ayurveda recommend the use of sesame seeds, especially if you have amenorrhea, that is irregular cycles or no periods at all, and weight gain in the middle half of your body. If it is causing weight gain in the middle half of your body, in these conditions use of sesame seeds is being recommended in Ayurveda, but make sure in these conditions you should first go for ultrasound. Even if ultrasound comes to be total proper, there is no problem detected, but still the periods are irregular and reason nobody knows. In these cases sesame seeds, you can give it a try. These are extremely beneficial, especially black sesame seeds, but make sure they should not be very old or they should not contain any kind of bad smell. Like smell of fungus or stored for long ages, like no oil left in sesame seeds. These kind of seeds should not be used. It should be used within these sesame seeds should be used within a year. Like it should not be very old, because you see, if you see very old sesame seed and if you break it and if you rub on the hand, there will be no oil in that seed. So, this kind of seed will not be beneficial. The kind of seed you will use only which contains oil, and it is very much an aroma, it is very visible. If you eat little bit, you can figure out like which kind of seed is beneficial. So, in amenorrhea and these kind of problems or irregular periods, amenorrhea means missing menstruation. Amenorrhea means missing menstruation for 2-3 months. But at the same time, make sure like you should, if you are planning to get pregnant or if there is a pregnancy, then do not take these seeds. But if you know like there is no pregnancy, you are very sure about it, and especially a woman who is very sure like there is no pregnancy, but still the periods are irregular. In these cases, I am recommending these sesame seeds. How to use it? You take a half teaspoon of these sesame seeds, like pinch, more than a pinch, half teaspoon is more than a pinch, and you soak it in a water overnight. In the morning, you just throw that water, filter these seeds and mix it with the piece of jaggery, that is palm sugar, natural jaggery, in Indian palm sugar you can understand. Mix it up and just eat it in the morning after food. And this way you need to use these sesame seeds 7 to 8 days before your expected date of menstruation. So, this will help you to bring your periods regular on time, and if you keep eating it on the regular basis whole month, it will cause excessive heat in the system. So, do not use it like this, just use it for 7 days, 7 days before your expected date of periods. This will help to regulate the menstrual flow, and it will eventually also balance the menstrual cycles, because if menstrual cycles are disturbed because of lack of calcium, it will help. If lack of magnesium, zinc, all these minerals it has, and it is very beneficial for health of a woman. But if you overuse it or if you excessively use it, it can cause bad effects like nausea, loss of appetite, loss of urine, and all these problems will happen if you not use the way I recommended. Or if there is already excessive heat in your system, then avoid using sesame seeds, because sesame seeds are already hot in potency. These are very beneficial for Vata and Kapha. but it is but at the same time, as it enhances the heat in the system, because it is hot in potency, you need to have a lot of fruits to subside the heat that will be produced by use of sesame seeds.